Hi everybody, nice here. Today we just know how to just arrange our meeting, automate our meeting script, summarization, everything. How to just be take notes on meeting automatically, how to just deliver actionable that we needed, and all things that we can do with meeting. Let's see how can go into this forward. Now this is a pretty cool title that we mastering communication. What does it mean that communication mastering means that in company meeting is deciding parts where the company run, how it should be go ahead. So if the meeting is unfruitful, then the team just be flatter, just split it because they don't have a single goal. So we just master the meeting part so that we can align them. That's the main concept. Now, pretty going what we learned from today's video. Now, we learn how to take notes through AI in meeting, how to do note through AI. Second, we know how to summarize the whole meeting. And after that, we know how to generate actionable report that what we do, what we want, what we do now. After meeting, we have to do this part, and we know that. Now, you know that my video is pretty definitive divided into three parts. First, the reason why we should do it. Now, what problem we are solving? Second, it's about execution. In this part, we actually do what we have to do. And just stay the system, what system we're using, Mindstudio, Fireflies AI, what we are using. And the further possibility is using what we can do next update. This is the next thing that after doing this stuff, what do we do next? It's pretty definitely now. Now, going to forward, the idea number first part, why have an idea to do this. What the problem I know that it have to be. So this is pretty basic that one thing is that after any meeting, most of the teams doesn't know what to do next. They have not actionable summary because sometimes they have no giving attention or sometimes lacking of internet, everything. Because we have most of meeting happening in Zoom, so we are lacking the information. We just have a lacking of internet connection. We just have no paying attention, so they have not have a actionable step. So so next is clarity. What specific thing what can this meeting in meeting we talk about seven topic. What topic is really matter to and where I focus on. There should be guided custom there that what an account manager should, what a sales manager should do, like what they do. It has a guided steps because in a human nature we just forgot everything. So we need to guide. We need to step by step see that yeah I have to this. Now in organization, there are several meetings. There's meeting on Friday, Monday, so there is a series of meeting, and wow, at the one point in time, the teams just forgot that what we talked in the September, what we talked in yesterday. So we are overloaded by an inaccessible. We have to just ask the senior that what we do, what we do. Sometimes they are not free because it's not sometimes not feasible. You can't ask the CEO anytime that what we talk, what we do. This will be pretty problematic. So we just see how to create a database, meeting database. We know that whether we store every things and to know that in which meeting we talk what, and just qualify this if specific information if you want. Now, one is first step is that why there are several departments. The sales department, there is a client onboarding department. They have lack of communication, so we can separate meeting their all meetings in one place database and separate meeting of that. So the higher level position that account manager can talk and know that oh what happening in sales department of the meeting because they not asked because account manager not have to just participate in their meeting because they are not a sales but he have to get idea no. So what he can do, there is a store of meetings that discussion and account manager just go that what is happening this meeting just get a summaries if that in it that what this project's budget it how much this customer value is us because sales department just analyze it, and account manager doesn't need it because they have to project management. This is his whole motivation is just manage his project. So you know that how this we just how can we just separate the gap between the two team communication. Now let's move the idea where it is good. Now, okay, it's pretty open. Okay. Now going forward, what we're learning today is that we have two tools: one Fireflies AI, one Mindstudio. We're using these two tools to know to achieve that. I'm giving the basic background of Fireflies AI. This is a platform. Okay, I just give you this one. It's a platform. This is a platform where we have power to just transcribe any meeting, whether it's Zoom or in Google Meeting, anything. It have feature of this recording everything. Just if you just participate in your meeting and just take notes, transcribe everything, how detailed. If there is nothing, we can also record in web. This extension in Chrome that can record that meeting happening. This there is a meeting that is not supported by this. You can just record your Chrome browser and just it transcribe this. And after that, you just summarize that this meeting is fruitful, who talk, how much happened, actions, everything. No, in a quick summary of that, this book it looked like. The quick summary, it is specified which data, question, how much question is asked, matrices, tasks, what you know, how the meeting goes, sentiment. The meeting is high, aggressive, positive or negative. Speaker, who speak how much, we also know. And the details transcript who speak when, how much time. You also need to get everything from this. Pretty basic. This you can upload other. If you're not recording, you can upload also video also. This is one of the fine part. Now moving to our the now you know that I said is Zoom, Chrome, and upload a video everything. So we there's a plan now. We just using this platform recording a video. I said that we can record various means. One is uploading video. One is just inviting as a Zoom member. One is just inviting as a Google Meeting member. We just invite every and just record every. We can just invite in meeting name and just provide invite and he just start recording everything. We also set a schedule that yeah, we have this meeting and you have and you automatically come to record this video. Yeah. So what we do, we know now we have pretty basic that idea that after we record everybody, we get a transcribe that what happening is. So we can get actionable overview. We get overview of the meeting, notes, everything, and we got actionable thing what we have to do, when to do. Also our taxes. We just have a taxes on also. We also have a taxes, question, sentiment, everything we needed. Now, so what? This is the whole thing. Not why and what you can see that how it utilize because if you use that you can record each and every meeting and just have transcribe them in one place. Now we have now we see how much problem we can solve. Now if the memory is not any memory is not available, we just send the summary of them. If and at last of that we just said if you using the transcriber you can say that this is actionable you have to do this thing. And we know that we after the meeting happen we know that who speak more, who will not speak, who not participate after their analytical data. We know everything that this meeting goes fruitful or not good, right? How this the gap of communication is just mitigating right now. Now this is the whole thing that is software one, but as an automator what we do. So what we're doing now, we're using a Mindstudio that but we had just customized action that this that firefly just summarize it that at a rudimentary level. But what we do, we said that an app where we said that he's a manager, he responsible this activity that there is a meeting where we talk about sales, onboarding, or about our the finances, but everything. So and we create an app that say that this is the personality. He also only see the department of sales. Make summarize the meeting according to him that what actions he have to take. What and we just and after creating that we just send to the manager that oh after your meeting you have to do this. That's how we fulfill that. Also, next example that if any leader, if any CEO member who have know that meeting is happening in his group, he know every meeting. No, he know every meeting after the meeting completed. He have a generating report that what this meeting at agenda and what the result should accepted after this meeting is executed. That what should be accepted that they talk about three agenda that we increase our sale by 10% or we increase our retention rate. So the leaders CEO know that oh this in this meeting we have to achieve this result with this actionable. So they can track their team also that why is this not achieving or not. Now, second part of that is that we create a database. I would say that we create a database where we just store a data that every meeting and if anyone just needed that what we talked yesterday at this meeting we just query the data and just get it. Not an instant. Now, last thing is meeting result that the sentiment analysis, question and participation. That every meeting should, every team leader should know that who is participating or not. That's second method. Now, this is a pretty basic. We learn about everything. Now, going to the real part, how to build it. We solve the pretty much what we do. Now, so what is building right now? Here is a quick demo. What we do is just I just give you the idea. I upload. There's no this is storage. Okay. Subscriber meeting. Yeah. 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 Here it is. Okay. I upload a meeting. A meeting on YouTube, which is pretty basic. That upload a meeting of no. I have a given idea that what we uploaded. There is the audio. Yeah. No.
So it is the SEC, meaning secure and govern growth, and data science, meaning applied ML, ML ops, and anti-abuse team.
Okay. You know that I upload a whole meeting of one office of 20 minutes and just give uploading and just it give the whole summary. Now, give the whole summary. So what? Now we need the upload the video. We get a summary. So after the summary, what we're doing now is getting this transcriber, what is transcribed, and just passing through our make.com scenario. So we can just you can use the make.com scenario to pass in our workflow in for the later that we can just send to their our CRM, we can send out to monday.com, any the things that we have to share. We can just get a transcriber of what we happen, summary, and just send everywhere. So the cross part is that after getting this transcriber, what I am going to do? So I am going to build a Mindstudio. Basically, there is a that Mindstudio. We're creating a app which now this is doing what? Which acting as that he summarized the meeting according to the actionable step. No, just create the app because Firefly is pretty generic that it just summarizes generic level. But we use this app to generate a most customizable app. Now, I'm creating a prompt next to press. Now describing what we have to do with this app. Now you are a meeting. Now we have a generator. There is a prompt generator. We can just generate the ideal prompt. Now can that who is have the role, have the purpose, have the parameter, we have the trait, we have the outcome. Now pretty basic we have a this four part. Now after that what I want to do, I just want to update this prompt because this is not a, this is a very low level prompt. I need to update this prompt. So we're just using chat GPT. So we're using AI to just generate a prompt by giving a prompt. Okay, you generate prompt for language. Hmm? No, just generate this. No. Now it could be a pretty good prompt right now. Now just we copy it. Now we just eliminate the things we not wanted. Task manager and file meeting. Fish. Okay. Now this is a pretty fine task. Now just using this. We not need integration. No. Now the main crux of the video, we're going to developing it Mindstudio in automation. So there is a user input where we actually put the transcriber, the value of that we get it from this media. It's creating our variable. It's a long text called meeting info. Variable name, okay, variable name is meet dot info. So it info. Label text is okay, meeting. Okay. I'm putting this meet variable in meeting in user mode. Now, now we're just playing with AI, generative text. So we're giving a new prompt. Write a prompt iPhone firmware we just no this have just not need this, we not need this. Yeah. Overall goal, follow-up action, meeting notes. Yeah. Not need the meeting overview. Now let's go to our app site. We not need any dates. Now we just define that we need a system. We design that what the manager should do in this meeting. Just give examples, different time, do this result, it's this, and overall goal, what follow up that, what additional note, and everything. Now we just display this. Now, yeah. We do another text. We have just defined right PROMP prompt where uh, meeting. Hmm. No. Now define tool gap. Here is we there is a tool generative from that. First doing that we define the what tasks should be done. That is okay. Just giving an example of context. Let's do that. Okay, just suppose that how is generating that. The meeting tell about that we increasing sales by 10%. Now this is a goal. The increasing meeting by sales percent by 10%, or just we increasing our client base like this, or we just going to new market. This is a goal. But what are the actionable? This is first part is actionable. For increasing sales 10%, what do we do? We do increase the sales personality, or just we increase our ad spend, or we increase our referrals. What we doing? That's actionable. Now, goal is pretty fun, increasing 10%. So this summarize the whole transfer as an actionable step that goes to our managers who have to do this work. You can just further and next go to our leaders that we know that oh yeah, this particular thing we have discussed in this to achieve this goal. After this action will happen, team leaders just see the take a review that do we achieving this goal or not. If achieving not, we change the action. So is it pretty two things in one place? And now we're just displaying this part. Displaying the user. No, no. Let's go to the transcriber. Now our app is pretty ready. There's no hurry ups. Now it's getting a
There
transcriber.
is the sick, And There is the SEC, meaning secure and govern growth, and data science, meaning applied ML, ML ops, and anti-abuse. Team meeting, that's a big mouthful. We might get a better name over time. Um,
Also not it. I just have a summary of it. I just create a summary of it. And this is a pretty thing that it store as a bundle. No, we just tell about the what is the what I do that. I just collect the data, get a transcriber, where I getting that. In the how the is this fireflies store the data is that it store like this. In which in this 5 second to 50 second who speak, who is the speaker, what he speak. I define like this. Data is stored like this. Now I just store like that so that you understand that who is participating and who is not participating. This is pretty format of how data is stored in Firefox. Now next, what I do is just aggregating that and getting a text that. Now we can save it in that. Now we just transferring this data to our app. We're just generating. Just going to preview the graph. I think I have to mesh. No, yeah, I just measure. We're good. We're good. It's not hurrying. So, so before that, I'm a mic that I just we just get our just data from this from speaker. We upload a video of meeting that I saw that I just bring in that. And we just getting the transcriber. Transcriber means that the report and putting our AI and the summarization where we just have summarizing everything. Now putting the everything, get what we getting. It takes it takes 3 seconds. Now, now you can see that we know the manager need what to do. Analyze the sales data past quarter report area, date due is 27, and provide a detailed report of action about. That means this task 2 is that organize the team building and July 1st to date. Now we have a gate overall goal that we have to increase 50%, that we have to engage the team, we ensure the company is marketing goes constantly, and next meeting and additional note and conclusion. Now this summary goes to our leader. We have two summary. First, that this meeting participant are this. These are the participant. Join instance. We know that how much the meeting goes. That goes to our zone is when the meeting happened, who is the participant, and how long meeting goes, and what are the key discussion, key goals, increasing traffic, driving significance, target deadline. Is this goal is new launching the product line in 6 months, introducing the new product line in diversification in December, and improving customer. Now see that our manager know what to do, our team leader know what he have to accept. Now there is a strategy. It also there is a complement strategy that includes SEO advertising that. Now it's the video was pretty long. It takes time to subscribe because it's 29 minutes long. So sorry for that. I can't just upload it right now because if I upload it, it takes more time. So you can just record it. Yeah, you just see there is a very nice video in. I just put there is a nice video of Firefly. You just go to YouTube, just type Firefly. You get everything in the knowledge. This I show you. Fireflies. Now, this now going to this. If you go this video, you get everything of Fireflies.
Every developer needs this Chrome extension. Daily.dev is a completely free to use Chrome extension used by over 500.
Welcome to Fireflies. Now,
This video pretty defined the everything what we needed. the features, how can we record the, how this facility, everything. You can just walk through this video and you understand that how can you just record the meeting. And now we see that we just get a recording of that. We use that for making app. That's pretty basic. And we just collect two different distinct that one is actionable, what is core. Now what is the role of this? Now why I use make.com, I just want to just that we every time we just go to manually just put the data in that. What we do, we just request http request and just make a requested and just add a Mindstudio API and just put in that, so this happen simultaneously that if you meetings goes, it just give the data and just it go to this and just provide a summary. And after that, so save this editable. Now after that we can do this, we said a custom function. It's pretty basic thing that I love it. Make.com. So we can just run the whole scenario again, that we just get a data from this and just go to make.com and just set a new scenario where we send emailing also. Also we can update CRM, everything there. We can do the average stuff that we're getting a data, we just getting a flow and just putting everything in the make.com. Also we can do from this module also. No, it's this meeting, this you see that this is a pretty simple version of that. I just putting a simple thing that generating, but we have to very fine tuning about AI because there is a lot of function we have to do it. I already do is there, so this is not problem. We have to do a lot of thing right now also. Okay. Now this is the third part of the video. What thing we can do further? Now till now we understand that how to just summarize meeting, how to be most productive in meeting, how to we just give access, we get data. Now what we do? So we can summarize for each team. There is account manager of sales, there is account manager of the project, there is account manager of finance. We can just, if the meeting happen, we can say the app, we just define that, just take a date actionable step for sales thing only. Everything is not. And just send it. Or you say that only take the action that have to in finance and send the finance manager. So we can just divide the action for each team, where a leader get their goals, account manager know what are tasks. Now, what we do in Mindstudio, now next is creating a hub data. We have a data sources in this. So what we do, we add each data transcribe in this data source and make a database where any team manager can go through and just have a query. Okay, just we sort of query the data that what to do this, what we talk in this meeting. Because there is that in February 19 there we talk about something called going to niche marketing or to this creative agency. There is a creative agency who want to go penetrate the Europe market with this one. So we connect which city we are focusing on. What are the major goals on that we decide. We just query this. Manager can query this. This means a set of data we can just query and AI just find the text and just customization getting it. Pretty hectic because we have not asked to team member that what we talk about. We not forget because we can see that we have a knowledge of everything that okay this happened, we not store the data. With this meeting we happen this, we have to this. Your team is pretty aligned that okay we have to do this. Because a lot of time what happened that team just get frustrated at asking a senior that what a simple thing I'm asking, just do that. So there is a mess happening there. So we give providing this tool, they can ask everything we have because there is no separation of anything. No, there's a referencing or a next where cross team communication. Let's see, you have a sales team and you have a finance team. If finance team manager know about what sales team happening, just data, just he have to not participate in sales team meeting, but he have no update that what is happening in sales. He can go to their data set and just get a data he wanted. You have to participate for this each every sales to get an idea. You just go to database and the sales statement database and just ask a query and get it. It's pretty simple. Yes or no? Now, this is the whole thing that we talk about right now. Now, I think that is the whole. If the if you just apply in this business, you can just increase your productivity. Your communication gap just go low and low, because people know each step what to do. They have information, they have a guidance, so they can go the direction in proper way. Uh, and last thing that storing a data just give the reference. After that you are what is your vision. Okay. Now it's for today. Bye for today. If any question you have, just ask in the comment. I'm ready to reach out to you anytime in this. Bye everybody. Let's go.